Thirikari ikoretwo ikireire hari kugacirithia na gukuria biacara nini na njira nene, na kuria ikoretwo ikigeria guthundura njira itiganite cia kuramata biacara ici. Ni kumana na uguo garugamiriri kuma ministry-ini ya wonjoria na biacara magite na giikaro na wonjoria kuma kaunti-ini ya Laikipia muoroto wari kumahe motaro ma kwandandura biacara ciao, na uyu ni Catherine Mongani Ahuri ni mwandikithia wa biacara ici.
The main purpose and benefits of registering is that once the micro and small enterprises are registered, then we are able to create a database that is meant to advise and give directions to the government on the policies that should be developed to support the micro and small enterprises.
Mongani augite thirikari ni yarire mitaratara miega ya guteithia ahuri a biacara nini iri ta njira imwe ya kumarahurira biacara ona kumathondekera thoko, amu kiria marakorwo magibatarania no kwiyandikithia niguo thirikari ikahota kumakinyeria kigina gia kumahura njeki.
Once they are registered, then we are able to know the sectors that they are from, and also we are able to mobilize them and make sure that we support them to have access to markets for their products. And we are doing this also by collaborating with other agencies to make sure that their products are standardized and their products that can be able to be marketed even in other countries.
Mubango uyu ukoretwo ugithii na mbere kaunti-ini ciothe guku bururi-ini. Mongani akirahira na kuga ministry ino ni ihotete kugathika tabarira cia mwanya cia kuguna muingi na makiria wonjoria na njira nene ta waki wa thito cia kuhehia magetha ma irio.
The authority also has been able to construct the cold storage facilities. And in this county, there is a cold storage facility that has been constructed. It's in the final stages, and they are able to, once they are registered, they will be the beneficiaries of that cold storage facility. Ahuri
biacara ni mahetwo njira huthu ya kwiyandikithia kugerera njira cia kiriu. Riri mahinyiriirio matigirire aruna ao nao ni maingirite mutaratara-ini uyu, amu noguo muhuthu thirikari ingihuthira niguo gwethera wonjoria ya mbeca cia ngombo kuma kuri mabengi nigetha mahote gukuria biacara ciao.
We have developed an online platform where they are supposed to register by logging into registrar.umsea.go.ke. They are able to register online wherever they are, and we'll be able to capture their data.
Handu-ini ya Kameme TV kuma Nyaururu kaunti-ini ya Laikipia, nie njitagwo Francis Mwangi wa wawira.